We supplicate to
And I'm Finley, the cameraman.
Okay. Well.
Let's tell if it can zoom.
No.
Are you gonna eat that?
No.
Ew, it's all mushy. I want.
Yay. This is not an orange. Not all because it had orange.
This video isn't gonna get much views.
This video is to prove that I will kill an orange.
You can't kill an orange. He's an orange.
He's terrible.
Oranges are invincible. I used to be a banana. Now it's mashed potato. That's my homework. Yeah. I'll probably forget. I forget these things. Because I need to make a new video about the annoying orange.